So I hear a lot of you say I want a pair of premium, great sounding wireless earbuds, but I don't want to spend $250 to get them. Well, these, engineered all the way over in Stockholm, Sweden, are the Urbanears Juno, and they cost just €99. And there is something very unique going on here. For a start, they're made of 91% recycled plastics, which is crazy, and the packaging is made from recycled paper as well. There is definitely a less is more type of vibe to the unboxing experience, with both colour options, raw and dirty tangerine, that was sent to me by Urbanears, who are also sponsoring this video, containing just the earbuds and additional tips. More on the fit in a second, and the paperwork of course as well. There is no USB Type-C charging cable included because Urbanears seem to think that pretty much everyone already has one of those cables lying around somewhere from a previous device, and they don't want to create more tech waste. And this works for me because I have plenty, but if you don't, you can scan the QR code and go through to the website and order a cable if you so wish. And I think they're around £6. It would have been nice to have seen them offer a free one when you go through and do this, but like I said, I've got loads of cables, and you may not need a charging cable anyway, as you'll see. This website also takes you through all of the info of how to set up and get the very best out of your Urbanears Junos, and a lot of this info is also available through their easy-to-use app, where you have access to customizable touch controls, equalizer settings, and active noise cancelling and transparency modes, amongst other things, to suit your preference. The touch controls, which by default are set to 1 tap for play pause, 2 for skip forwards, and 3 for skip back, I just left alone as is. The EQ presets are a nice addition, and these are Urbanears' first ever ANC enabled earbuds, so these are definitely a viable option for travel or noisy environments, and you can also change to transparency mode when you want to take more notice of traffic or conversations going on around you. You can do that too. A press and hold cycles between the three, although I tend to keep the off mode turned off, so it just skips between ANC and transparency mode just for simplicity. I don't feel the ANC is as good as some of the more premiumly priced earbuds I've tested, expected again at this price point, but some of those compromises, some of those trade-offs are there for a reason. You see, Urbanears have strategically put themselves at a place in the market where, as long as the overall package is strong, most people probably won't pick up on those little things. By focusing on value for money, most people would probably excuse any shortcomings. The physical quality of the earbuds with a sturdy click, the splash resistance for sweat, rain, liquid spills, and great battery life at 8 hours per charge and 36 hours within the case, at this price point only enhances this idea. You have dual connectivity, which means I've been able to switch between phone and Mac with ease, and the fact that these come with wireless charging capabilities is another big bonus for the retail value. Whilst contributing to a sustainable future with the mindset of leading the way to climate neutrality by 2023, Urbanears' intentions from the very start in 2009 were to create headphones with a real simple, clean, industrial design, which still rings true today. The recycled material certainly gives it a unique look with this matte textured finish. It has this little tag on the side which reminds me of an old school t-shirt, and the click to pair with the button at the front just feels nice and solid. And in terms of comfort, for me, they're a solid 8 out of 10. This is always hugely subjective, everyone has different shaped ears, but I've been able to wear these for a good few hours before the need to shift any positioning. And I have tested others that I can wear for longer, but I've also tested a fair few that these are more comfortable than. And the fact you have those extra easy to assemble tips is a bonus here. But time to talk actual sound quality. So I've tried these with a variety of music genres, and for the most part, for the price point, these super impress me. If I had to pick an area that I think possibly could be improved in a future product, it would probably be in bass. It could be a little bit punchier for those bass heads out there. It may leave you wanting a little bit, but then again, I would probably recommend for that larger over-ear headphones anyway. And the overall audio is really loud, to the point where I pretty much only go about halfway on my phone, and it's pretty well balanced with vocals that sound clean and crisp and clear, as is call quality, with environmental noise cancellation to cut out any background noise. So to cut a long story short, yes, there are a couple of things that you may want to consider when going into looking at purchasing these that we've discussed, but outside of that, the design, the features, the sound quality, and the price point here is all very juicy indeed. Dirty tangerine. Juicy. It's a good one. All the information will be left in the video description below. If you're interested, go through and check it out. Follow me on my other social medias, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for short form content on these and the rest of the tech that I review. My name's Adam. You've been the best as always. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Says ASBYT. Peace out.